Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Juliet. If this is your first time seeing my face, and on my channel I post content around fashion, beauty and lifestyle. If any of this sounds interesting to you, hit that subscribe button so you get notified each time I upload a new video. Before I start today's video, I'd like to say a very big thank you to all of you for your love and support on my previous videos, my proposal video and my Shein haul video. Engagement on these videos were massive and I am very grateful for that. From the title of today's video, you already have an idea of what today's video will be all about. So this video is like a haul, but not from a specific brand. Yeah, from some of my favorite brands. I am so excited to share some of the new pieces I have in my wardrobe for summer and spring with you guys. The first item we've got here is this blue corset top from everything.com. The brand is called Everything 5 Pound, but it's no longer Everything 5 Pound. It's been rebranded to everything.com, I think, because of the cost of living. I think everything is now expensive and they have decided to rebrand. This is what the top looks like. The top is made with two different blue fabrics. This is a lighter cotton fabric. It has a padding on the shoulder. It has a padding on the shoulder that makes it firm. It has a sort of design or detail on the sleeve. It's from the brand Lefon. I don't know if that's the right way to pronounce it, but yeah, this is the top. It's cute and I love it. Moving on, the next item we've got here is this lovely khaki dress from the same brand everything.com or everything 5 pound, formerly everything 5 pound. This is from the brand trendy yo. Trendy yo. This is what the dress looks like. It comes with a belt, a matching belt in the same fabric. It can be easily styled with a simple sandal and sunglasses, and you are out on a sunny day. It will really go well with black sandals and maybe a crossbody bag. Yeah. The next item we've got here is a leather jacket from Madison. One thing with everything 5 pound shop is they source their pieces from different brands. So you see a lot of different brands, a lot of different clothing. They are not very familiar brands. They just source nice quality stuff from brands. This is what this jacket looks like. It's a really nice beige leather jacket. I love beige. It makes me look clean. So I have lots of beige clothing or pieces in my wardrobe. And this is one of my latest additions. This will be very nice for a cold summer evening or day. Can be worn to work, can be worn to run errands. Yeah, it can be styled in so many different ways. And the quality of this jacket is, I don't know, I just can't show you the quality on the camera, but the quality of this jacket is 10 out of 10. The next item we have here is this gray knit bodycon dress from the same brand, everything. If you are wondering why I have so many things from everything 5 pound, it's because I love shopping from there. They sell quality clothing for very affordable prices. That's why I love shopping from there. My wardrobe is filled with clothes from everything 5 pound. This dress is really nice. It's a button down dress. It comes with a belt in the same fabric. This is what it looks like. This is also something you can wear on a cold spring or summer day and it will keep you warm. It's really thick, a bit stretchy, and the quality is 10 out of 10 if you ask me. I love everything 5 pound and I haven't shopped there in a while, but because when I shop, I always have something in mind I want to buy. I don't just buy things. And then when I get what I need, I maybe add a few more things that I like. That's how I shop. So yeah, this that's it for this dress. And the last item we have here is this cargo pants. You can tell I love beige. I love neutral shades. Beige especially. This cargo pants from Shein. I got this in a large size actually. You know the sizings come in regular, small, petite, and so I got this one in tall. So the pants can be very long. I don't know how to explain it, but I just got this one to give me a kind of long pants vibe. Not very tall, but I got it for a tall person, just for a specific vibe I am going for. So this is what it looks like, and I love it. The next thing we have here is this beautiful bag my fiance got me from Primark. It's in it looks white, but it's not white. It's from Primark. I think I've said that before. Primark. And it's Ecru. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it properly. Ecru. It's a shade that's very close to white or cream, but I just love the structure of this bag and I love small bags. I am a fan of small bags. The next item we have here is another bag from Primark I got a while ago. When I got this bag, it was on sales, and this was how much I paid for this bag. Uh, £2.50. The bag was for £9, but I got it for £2.50. Can you imagine buying this quality for £2.50? A very nice blue bag. And the quality of this bag, I am very high on quality. I don't just buy rubbish. I don't I think I got that from my mom because my mom buys quality stuff. It also has a crossbody strap. That's it for the bags. I am excited about this bag and I can't wait to style it for you guys. The next item we have here is this shoe from Queen Vivi. Queen Queen Vivi shoes. I got this shoe from Everything £5 as well. I think at this point I should be their ambassador. So this is what the shoe looks like. It has dust bags. I'm going to tell you how much I got these shoes after I finish unboxing these shoes. The shoes have dust bags, and this is what it looks like. Funny story. This is what it looks like. Funny story. The first time I saw this shoe, I thought it was ugly. I thought it was very ugly. And then I saw someone wearing these shoes on Instagram. I don't know her name, one makeup artist. I'm going to insert her name to the screen. I don't know her name. I'm not sure of her name, but she's a makeup artist and a content creator. So when I saw her wearing these shoes, I just said, "Oh, I'm going back to get these shoes." Guess how much I got these shoes? Guess how much? I got it for £3. Yeah, one, two, £3. £3. Anyways, that's it for this shoe. The last shoe we've got here is from this brand called Marquise. You can already tell where I got these shoes, so I don't need to say too much. And this is what the shoes look like. They are loafers, platform loafers, and this is what the shoe looks like. This is one of my favorite purchase of 2024 so far. This shoe is so clean. The quality of this shoe is 10 out 20 out of 10. Because if I am rating this shoe 10 out of 10, I am underrating the shoe. Look at these shoes. Just look at these shoes. They are perfect. Perfection. I'm not even joking. These shoes are perfect. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching and I really enjoyed creating this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and I can't wait to see you in my next one. See you later guys.